How's it going, folks? This is Joe with Joe's Gaming Electronics, where we buy, sell, and educate everyone on brand name electronics. We repair lots of electronics, we sell lots of electronics. Check out our website, joesge.com. Today we're going to be showing you guys a really easy way to pair your Fitbit Surge to your Fitbit app. It's really important to pair your Fitbit, that way it can actually go ahead and mirror all the actions that your Fitbit has to the app, along with the time, along with your steps, and all the other good stuff. So the Surge is a great watch, has a GPS built into it, and it's really easy to pair. We're going to pair it right now. Once we're in the Fitbit app, we're going to go here and click on Setup Device. And you get to Setup Device very simply here by clicking on the right hand side, and then right where it has my charge 2 that I have on my hand, we can also set up another device. Click here and right, Setup Device. Gives you all the options of what devices you want to set up. You're going to find the product, which is a Surge, click on the Surge, and then set up. You're going to accept the terms and services, next, and then we're going to hold the power button. The power button is located on the left hand side of the product, and then once you click it for 3 seconds, it will find it. Once you find it, you're going to see a number on the screen for your Fitbit Surge. You're going to put that number inside the app, and then it will start pairing. This process can take anywhere from 10 to 15 minutes, along with any updates that Fitbit might come out with. So be really patient. If this doesn't work once, try it again. It will work eventually, and it's a very simple process. Once you're connected, you're good to go. Go have a really good time. Go hiking, go jumping. Don't swim with them, they're not waterproof. But besides that, everything else should be good to go. They do have a built-in GPS, so it's really nice if you're traveling. You have this on your arm, you can see where you want to turn, stuff like that. So really enjoy your Fitbit. This is a great Fitbit Surge. You can find it on our website, joesge.com. Like, subscribe, comment on our videos, and go ahead and watch all our videos on Facebook. We have great blogs there, as well as on our YouTubes. You can also check out our Facebook page and our Instagram page. We always share a lot of great content there. Thanks so much for your time. Have a great day.